What do you mean was? We're just getting started!
What the hell?
Oh my God!
Did you see that?
Dude, look at your car! What are we gonna do?
Oh, that's not a problem. For a cop!
What the hell?
It's right, it's
Oh!
No! But what the hell, boy?
Whoa! That was close.
What the hell?
Are you serious right now, bro? Serious right now, bro?
I don't want to be a buzzkill, but isn't all this a bit too much? I think what Darwin is politely trying to say is, have you lost your gosh darn mind?
What the hell?
I missed every single one of them.
Dude, I know you just want to show you're cool, but where's the limit? I mean, why not drive with your eyes closed and your hands in the air, too?
Great idea!
He's trying to use reverse psychology!
Did someone say reverse?
Oh!
No! What the hell? What the hell?
Please, I'm begging you, someone's gonna get hurt unless you stop breaking the law!
Don't worry, kid. Nothing can happen. I am the law!
What the hell?
Oh, thank gosh it's the old stroller full of trash trick. Really? Jaywalking right in front of the police? Isn't there any law left in this town? Huh?
Oh!
No!
It is. Why should I pay for this ice cream, huh? Why don't I just help myself? Why don't I just take the whole darn truck? Why don't I just... Well, that got out of hand quickly. I mean, since there's obviously no law in this town, why don't I take a nice drive right through the park?
Oh!
No!
Keep on driving until I run someone over.
Whoa! That was close.
We need a vehicle. There.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Best we can do.
Just step on it and put the siren on.
What the hell? What the hell?
Whoa! That was close.
Watch out!
No! I've had it with people using their strollers like weapons to push people out of their way. For once, you can go over.
But what the hell, boy?
Why didn't I run over this beautiful swan and the people who dare to complain about my disregard for Mother Nature?
Pull over, lady! She's heading for the gate.
What the hell?
Okay, she asked for it. Get behind her! Now!
What the hell?
Oh!
No!
Kid! Ice cream truck! Commissioner, look out!
What is happening in the back of your boat?
The money!
Wow, these guys are pros! They must have one heck of a wheelman!
What the hell?
Oh!
No!
Oh!
No!
Oh!
No!
Everybody strapped in? Good, let's go!
What the hell?
Everybody ready?
Oh!
No!
Kids, just jump across! No, because that would be insane! Yes, fair point. Richard, stop the car! This is stupid!
If it's stupid, why don't you stop first?
All right, I will. Do you kids have your seatbelts on?
Oh!
No! no!
Oh my god.
Kids, close your eyes.
What the hell? What the hell?
Look on the bright side. On the astronomically slim chance we survive this, we get a new computer.
Just give me the kids, Nicole! There's nowhere else to go!
Oh, really? Hold on, kids. We're taking a detour.
Woohoo! That was a little tense. Why don't we calm down with the game? I spy with my little eye.
No!
It's with an M.
Messenger!
No, it's magpie. Oh, Richard, do you have the card?
Sure.
Thanks.
I'm not giving up, Nicole! So?
What the hell?
I've never heard of Waffle Street. You'll have to find it on the map.
Which will be kind of hard to do since this is a map of Portugal.
Oh no!
He's trying to run us off the road! Mama Meanie! He's trying to stop us from delivering Vito's pizza!
Sure looks that way. Onward! We have pizza to deliver.
Let him get away!
They're right behind us!
These are Mama Meanie's pizzas. Here's the only thing they're good for. They make great frisbees.
Look out! You're steering crazy! I can't see. There's rancid pepperoni all over the windshield.
You did it, Garfield! Nothing can stop us now!
Oh no! What the hell? Oh my God! Yeah, yeah,
Nolan, to the beach!
What the hell? Oh my God! Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh no!